Hello, today I will show you how to convert your smartphone to a Wi-Fi access point or a Wi-Fi wireless USB adapter. For example, this is my PC and it has not access to Wi-Fi, so I bought this one. It is a wireless USB adapter, but then I found that I can convert my phone to this device. So if you want to connect your PC to Wi-Fi using your smartphone, I will show you the method. First of all, let me show you my internet connection. Now I have a cable connection, Ethernet. Let me show you. Here is my internet, as you see. Okay, Ethernet. First of all, we connect our phone to PC with USB cable. After that, we go to settings, then to connections, then we go mobile hotspot and tethering, then we toggle this. Okay, as you see, now you can see that there is two internet. This is the first one, this is the second one, which is came from my phone. My phone now take the Wi-Fi from the router and send it to PC. Now let me cut the connection between my PC and the router. Here is the Ethernet cable. I turn it off. As you see, only one internet connection available now, which is my phone to PC. My phone become as a Wi-Fi access point. It's connect to Wi-Fi and send it to PC. Now let us try if there is internet or no. Let me show you. Let me connect to YouTube. As you see, here it is. You can connect to YouTube, and the only internet access is my phone to PC. This is what I want to tell you today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe and thumb up. See you in another video.